Hi guys, Merry Christmas. It is 2 weeks till Christmas, but if you're new here, I'm Summer. Subscribe, give me a big fat thumbs up, and turn on post notifications. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it? Yeah, you in the pink sweatshirt back there. So I have this little pig squishy, and it already got a little hole in it. Yeah, while I was playing with it. I'm really sad, so see. So we're gonna always wanted to do this. And I know fidget toys are very precious and we don't want to hurt them. So if you watch me do it, then you can leave yours alone. This hurts me to do this, but if it was already broken, it hurts less. Ooh. And it feels so good, but there's so much little crushed pieces. You can tell I've given the squishy a lot of love. Well, we are going to transfer it into here. I'll be right back. I'm still recording, but I want to show you this.
Ugh. Ugh.
Let's cut one open. Careful with scissors, guys. Especially big scissors. They're so slippery. I love these. This color fit. Just cut it in half, guys. So it's really satisfying. Look how sparkly they are. But sometimes squishies are really satisfying, but the insides are sometimes kind of yuck. But this is kind of fun, satisfying, and beautiful, but kind of gross at the same time. It would be great to mix into slime. But all I have right now is butter slime, so I might not go that well with butter slime. I need a paper to make a paper funnel. I'll just use paper funnel.
Oh,
Like that.
Randy got funnel for you.
Do you have an empty water bottle?
Mm-mm.
No? Okay. Okay, let's make a funnel. The paper towel's not gonna work. Maybe a napkin. Next is squeaky toy. Can you hold it just like this? I'm still recording.
It's gonna cave in because it's too soft.
No, it's fine. Oh yeah. We need paper. Over here.
Here, Summer, use this.
Sorry guys, I did not plan this video.
Here, use this. What are you dumping down in?
Orbeez.
Oh, no, don't use this then. It'll be ruined. We just need to get you a funnel. We don't have anything.
We need a piece of paper. I have the shield. Here, I could just use the back side of this painting.
That would be better because it's thicker.
This is my painting. I
Well,
just
that
laid
pretty.
it down on the paint palette and picked it up. I thought it would look pretty. And I also did this one. This one's watercolors. How about myself? Okay, so I put two squishies in here. One was just a water one. I just put water in it and it was homemade. And a pink balloon. And then this one. And I think this pig is just bad luck. So I'm not going to put any more squishies in there. Well, I may put one more in there, but if that one breaks, then no, we are not going to keep doing that. Okay, Mom. Hold it like this. Don't bend it too much.
I'm not.
Just hold it in.
You have to pull it way open.
Right on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you help me? You hold it and I'll pull the. You hold it right here and up here, and I'll pull the. I will dump the Orbeez in.
Whoa, the hole's not big enough. Summer, it's not big enough. Summer, it's splitting. This is not a good idea. Even when I touch them, they're everywhere. Summer, it's all over the place.
I clean it.
No.
Yes, I will. After we figure out how to do this. Wait, Mom, can we try this again? But I'll hold it over
It
the
won't
bowl.
go. They're too thick to go through that little hole, and it won't work.
I'm going to do them all one by one.
No, we don't have until 2 in the morning to do that.
It will take me a few days. Bye, guys.
Why don't you just put them